Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. So, as I told in my previous class that you about the autobiography, I think you all know what autobiography is. I have explained it to you all. Once again, I want to tell you that to be in a very simple way, if I have to express autobiography, we can say when the person writes for his own self or writes his own story. Okay, that is autobiography. So the person, when the person narrates his own story, writes it down, it is autobiography. So obviously the writer or the speaker will be the first person, means everywhere we have to write it in I or me or my, this will be used, and the story, it may be imaginative, but you can imagine and write down, but it should be written in first person account. So here we get a topic where we are asked to write an imaginative autobiography of a tree that faced many challenges when it was a sapling. Talk about how it has crossed all hurdles to become a strong tree, providing shelter to several small animals and people. Use the given beginning to start writing the autobiography. Remember to write in this first person while telling the story of the tree, as I told. Now you have to open the story with an interesting sentence and trace its life, beginning at the time it was a seed till the present moment, and certain hints are also given, ideas are also given that we need to use. Like we have to begin with one warm spring morning, and then you need to include that the kind of tree I am and who are my friends, the animal life around me and life in the forest, the challenges church have faced, and an incident that lives with me. So everything you need to cover up all these things. So as I told you all to jot down the important points according to you on the previous day. So today you need to I hope all of you have jotted down all the important points, relevant points. Today you need to write down, you need to try to write down the composition. I hope all of you will do. Now you need to pause the video right here and do the work, and you need to come back to I will be discussing a sample answer. Okay, answer will definitely vary. If you write, definitely the answer will vary, but still you will I felt that you all get a means you will get an idea to how to write. Okay, means whatever you all have written, whether that is in a nice track, in a correct track or not, you will be able to look at this. So for that reason one sample answer will be discussed here. So I want all of you right now to write down the composition. Though it's English too, but as you have it in your syllabus, so I thought you should do. So just do that. So as it was told, means you need to start with one spring morning, and then whatever other things you need to jot down, you need to cover up. So here one sample answer you can I will be reading it out, you all must listen to it. So in your when you all will be in higher classes, there also you will this is also you need to, when the teacher will be reading it out, you need to listen to it. This comes under your means it comes under your learning as well. So just follow. So one warm spring morning, some men approached my dwelling with axes and blades. I was just talking to my friend, a sparrow. As I am a tree, so a sparrow is obviously my friend. When we were shocked to see the group of men approaching us. So you were told to start in a stunning way. So the first sentence only you find that some persons were approaching, they approached with axes and blades. Okay, now I have tried to cover up in a very simple way, simple language, so that all of you can go through it and all of you can understand it. Their faces looked grave, and we knew at once what this was all about. Means maybe they were, means all those persons, they came in order to cut the tree. I am a mango tree, and I have been in this park for last 50 years. I have faced many challenges since I was planted as a sapling here. Caterpillars have tried to eat through my leaves. Small children have trampled over me, and at times goats have almost eaten me up. Many have tried to destroy me, but my friend who had planted me kept saving me from such predicaments. So, like the cherry tree, the mango tree has also gone through various challenges. So you can take help, you can take hint from your own text only. As you can see here, instead of the grass cutter woman, it is included one that small children. Otherwise, it has got taken caterpillar also, goats also. So in this way, you need to learn how to involve your text also. Whatever you learn in your text, you can take help of them in a smart way. My friend Kia is a teacher in a school in this neighborhood. So Rakesh was a small child, but here Kia is a teacher of a neighboring school. Hence, she is respected by most of the people who live here. Then, what could have gone wrong today? I tried to peep through the park railing to see if Kia was anywhere in the vicinity. But alas, she was nowhere to be seen. Perhaps she didn't know about this at all. The men started getting ready to begin their work while chatting to each other. I started talking to my other friends, the bees, the birds, the squirrels, the monkeys, and the cats. A cat meowed loudly and said, I just heard that they were planning to clear this space for a theatre. What shall we do? The birds flitted in and out of my leaves and started tweeting all together. The small sparrow, which was with me, said, Oh, my monkey brothers, I have heard so many about your intelligence. Can't you give us some ideas? Please save us. The oldest monkey was sitting silently. He now said in a somber voice, We have to use our strength together. Now listen to me, all of you. They all huddled and discussed something in whispers. Then they all took their positions and waited in silence. Just when the first man was about to place the axe on my back, a swarm of bees attacked the group of men. It was not all. While they tried to hide themselves from the attack, the monkeys started pelting my fruits at them. The fruits hadn't ripened yet, and I did not want them to be pulled off from my branches. Yet we had no better plan. The cats had all gathered, and 5 of them frightened the men with their sharp claws. Soon my heart began to race. I could see Kia walking into the park with a group of men and women behind her. They came and immediately prohibited the men from cutting me down. She said that she was going to take up the matter with the concerned parties. As the men walked away, she ran her hand over my back and said, You are my brave little mango tree. How much you have grown. The birds started singing songs, the monkeys started to chatter, and everyone was happy. This incident has made me braver and more positive about life. So this is the story. it is written in a very simple way. You all can understand it has taken help from the um, story Cherry Tree as well, where means in cherry tree we find Rakesh to touch the smooth bark of the cherry tree. Here the Kea, the friend of the tree, touches its bark, where in cherry tree we find Rakesh to appreciate the tree. Here also we find the same. So in this way you can take help of the text, but you cannot just copy it down. You just cannot copy the original text and in place of cherry tree you write mango tree or any other. It will not be good enough. But if you want to take a little bit help from the text, it's going to it will be nice, I think. So I hope all of you have understood the story. Means as it is autobiography, so it is definitely a story of someone. So you need to I hope all of you have done, and I have written here answers will vary. Yes, answers will definitely vary if you write it down, because everyone is having his everyone is having a different story in his mind, in his or her mind. So obviously the answers will vary. It's just I have provided just a sample answer, so obviously it will vary. Now this is the this is the autobiography, and this is the task for today. I hope all of you will do whatever is provided. So this much for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.